Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you one of my easiest projects ever. You don't need any special skills for this, just a little bit of creativity, and we are making the standing concrete bowl using a simple exercise bowl. First, I'm decided on the depth of the bowl. To keep the edges clean, I'm marking a stop line with some painter's tape. This is a great trick to make sure your bowl stays level. Now let's spread the concrete over the surface. By the way, this is the perfect project to upcycle leftovers. I'm adding some crushed concrete leftovers from my previous works. You can use anything, crushed glasses, old scraps, whatever. It's a great way to reduce waste and add some extra strength to the walls. For the base, I'm using a pre-made concrete stand I already had, but you can use anything you like for this step, a ceramic bowl, a glass jar, whatever, anything. Once the main layer is set, I added a bit more concrete to the interior to create a raw organic texture. After it's completely dry, it's time for the most satisfying part, sanding. I'm using sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and get the perfect finish. Now the last part is painting. I'm starting with a base layer of deep dark brown, almost black. One that's dry, we are going for a rustic look. I'm taking a loofah sponge and dabbing on some white acrylic paint. This highlights all that beautiful texture we created. And finally, I'm layering a rich terracotta color and blending it with a soft cream shade for a more subtle earthy transition. And here's the final result, a minimal high-end look for almost no cost. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.